Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to finish this Rubik's Cube. So, I'm going to go like, messed up. Make it good. Forward. There. I'm going to go here. Then here. Then I'm going to do here. 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 Solved. Solved under 20 seconds. I'm just messing with you. I'll show you what I did. I did forward, turned it, forward, turned it. This is how you prank your friends. You turn it, turn, 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 turn. And then it looks like a normal Rubik's Cube. And you're like, nope. Okay. My friend was like, dude, do you want to see a cool trick? And I was like, sure. And then it was, look at this. But I'm not sure how to put it back. This is hard. I think I just messed it up. See you later. That's how you mess up your Rubik's Cube.